Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's about 1:00 p.m. My noon video is coming a little bit late. I wanted to take a look at what the markets were doing, but we are getting a beautiful run-up back into this 92.80 area, which is exactly where we ran up this morning. Let me just drop a line in there. Pretty nice to see a huge sell-off like this and then have it come all the way back up and do another 100% retracement, and now we're testing that area again. Remember, this whole area in here from 92 to 93 is very, very good resistance. And so this is what we're fighting now. One test yesterday, another one this morning, a little bit of a sell-off right to the rising 50 MA on the 15-minute chart, and now we're making a nice double top here intraday with the 93 area above. The TRIN Q was being awfully squirrely this morning. If you look at these numbers, we were in the 3.2 range, which is just an amazing amount of volume flowing into stocks on the decline. That is now at least bleeding out a little bit. We're back down here to this level, and the TRIN, which was kind of spiked up to 1.6, is now down below 1.0. So big divergence between the TRINs and the VIX, which is oftentimes a tiebreaker. If you had watched this morning, you would have known that it didn't fill the gap as much as the broad markets had, and so this was actually showing some bullish sentiment. We are getting a nice run back down to this, if you want to call that support area. So pretty cool to see that. We'll watch these things closely again as they unfold, but for right now, suffice to say this is a huge, big move back up and a positive sentiment read for the broad markets intraday at least. Of course, remember what we're looking at. Huge resistance, of course, this area in the gap. This is the daily chart now, and overhead 200 MA. This also happens to be almost a perfect 100% retracement from this sell-off area. If you draw that down to here, so here's the 50-yard line. Nothing to ignore. Lots of people who buy up here also buy down here and get a bunch of their money back. AKA resistance, $100 mark, 50 MA, all coming down on a weekly chart. This is all the things that are overhead on a daily chart. You know what you're fighting into if you're buying long through the weekend, toward the end of the day here, looking for some big moves. Be careful with that. I'm not telling you what to do, of course. I'm not a money manager per se, but always want to watch out, no matter how strong the markets are, to make sure the broad market internals are in line, which they're getting closer to now, but just watch the TRIN Q. So, fair warning, but nice to see a retracement and the market's holding up and digesting this news well. So great day so far, everybody. Keep it up, and look forward to D7's video after the close, and I'll talk to you soon.